Alright, what's up YouTube? So first of all, sorry for the late upload. I had some stuff to do, but technically every single day I'll upload just between 5. Technically, exactly at the 5 at the dot, but sometimes 5, 6, 6:30, right? Anyway, today day 3 of the challenge. Today we didn't have news, so it's a low prob Monday, but I still found a setup and won. So beautiful. Today we made around 450 on one account, so multiply by 5, 2.2 USD. Here I'll show you guys the accounts. So we're looking at, this is the leader, bang, follower, 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 follower. So leader, one more good day, and the buffer is met. I can start requesting daily payouts. The other ones, I'll need around 2 trades. So hopefully this week I can start requesting payouts already. I won't wait till Friday or all the accounts to be at buffer. I'll just request. Each time that I can request, I'll request. So we can start building our 20k payout, the challenge. And I'm super excited to actually, um, for only being day 3, being so close to actually start getting payouts. Let me get out of this. So yeah, very excited. Hopefully, I know we'll hit our challenge goal for 20k payout, but hopefully we even get more, right? So, all right, let me just bang execution labels. We'll leave those marker so you guys can see the trade that I took. For some reason, it doesn't show me Monday. That's weird. Whatever. I just showed you guys regardless the account, how much they're at, and here there's a picture. This is a screenshot from this morning. So let's start. Yeah, it doesn't show. Weird. So let's go to replay. So today was a low probable day, like I told you guys. So we just had to either don't force a setup or de-risk a lot, right? Or best thing to do, just, be careful. So external highs and lows are marked. We had this beautiful buy side liquidity. Let's go to the 15-minute. I don't see anything else. Let's go to the 5. On the 5-minute, like I said, guys, whatever sell side you see, even though maybe it's not it, just mark it. Then when price come through it, we watch and we react. So I can see those two. We have London right there as a external high. I just didn't mark it. It's just right there. Beautiful. So let's wait for market open. Start building our context. We just did this new sell side. So it's pretty easy. When you see price, for example, equal lows, then strong reaction, this, then strong reaction, technically you can mark it as a sell side. Same thing for buy side. All right, market open, bang. What happened? We swept those both external highs. All right, then what? Are we in a continuation or a reversal? Looks like we are in a continuation. Beautiful. Now, what can I see? Well, we had this fair value gap. Are we in macro though? No. No point then of marking it for now, since already price came into it too, right? So let's keep on going. We did this move right there before this entire move. So this is for now a buy side, and we have this other sell side. Simple as that. All right, let's keep on going. So macro opens in 1 more minute. What can I see already? Well, we swept this buy side. Then what? Looks like we are respecting it and gonna look for a reversal. All right. Does it make sense to look for a reversal? Yes, we have this sell side here, 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 here. So price, it does make sense, right? It aligns with our context. But let's wait to see if there's a setup. Now you guys might see this as a fair value gap. This is too small. We don't take those. And it's a long anyway, for a long, since I don't take inverse. All right, what is its price doing? We went above this, so it looks like we're gonna be looking for a long setup. Now, price in 4 minutes, it's already gonna be 10, right? And we didn't get any setups yet. So since that was happening, what I did is I went on ES just to check what ES was doing, because normally they correlate, right? Now, normally if we already got the setup, I don't care about ES. Since I didn't see any setup yet, I was like, it's already 10. I know it's low prob, I'll just go check ES. Now, I went to ES, and what did I see is we were actually, so let me just mark this and this for now. I won't mark the internal and Asia, whatever. Whew. All right, so I was saying, market open, bang, we swept this external high, then what? Reversal. So I was like, all right, yes, this is giving me a reversal. We are chopping around because we have this sell side, but keep getting respected up and down, up and down. So whatever setup you take, you're just gonna get stopped out at some point. So I was waiting for an actual confirmation and then go look on NQ. Now for NQ, if for example we swap this buy side, then perfect. I'll just base it off of that, but we didn't even sweep it. So let's go check what happened next. Perfect. What happened next? 958, we got a short fair value gap. Now technically I'm looking for longs. And we made those equal lows. We marked them. Doesn't matter if we mark the wrong thing. If this is an actual sell side that gets respected, unswept, then we'll know. So I was saying, I'm like, okay, NQ is just going up. We're not sweeping any higher, we're not sweeping any internal highs. So I'm like, all right, let me go check on ES, 958. Well, guess what? I need to go mark Asia. Guess what? 956, 57, 58. We swept this high and then reversed again. So from there, I was like, all right, yes, it's gonna start dropping at least to these lows again. So what should I do on NQ? Well, look for a short. Now, technically, I don't base my trades off ES, but when there's nothing going on, I'll go check ES and get an idea. And I'll show you guys something too on ES that happened later. So if price came back to this fair value gap, first, I know it's a risky trade, but I was willing to take a short. But I need clear confirmation that this fair value gap was valid first. So let's go check it out. So technically those setup are not A+, they're just meh. 10:04, we closed the body inside the fair value gap. So the fair value gap, we don't know if it's valid or invalid. I didn't enter a trade yet. Now, if the body would have closed under, I would have took the short stop loss right there. Always, the stop loss needs to be perfect, above this gap. If you want above these highs, it doesn't matter. So I was still waiting. And it's not like the body closed above, disrespecting this fair value gap. But regardless, I don't take inverse, so it wouldn't matter, right? So everything makes sense. And price should come down and start sweeping. Hello, mouse. Sweeping those sell side. Then 9, not yet. Bang. Right there is where I entered my trade. It doesn't show on the execution for some reason, but you guys seen the profits. Whew, all right. So 10:10 is where I entered. We still have 5 minutes before macro we're done with macro. So it was, like I said, today wasn't the perfect execution, but the trade and the context aligned everything correctly. We respected this fair value gap. We have some sell side. Beautiful. ES is doing the reversal of the external highs. Perfect. Anyway, I entered right there, since technically if price goes back up to these, it's already invalid, the whole fair value gap. So I was looking for a 1 to 2. Now my entry was right there as soon as it closed. So sell. I took 6 minis. I remember it was around 2. I was risking maybe 220. Yeah, something like that. 216. And a 1 to 2. Perfect. Something like that. I don't remember, but I got, you guys seen the picture, around 440 profit. So let's keep on going. Now I'm in a trade. I know it's a little bit risky, but I know it's a good setup still. So normally I don't go break even, I don't trail my stop loss, but for this instance, I was trailing. Macro, what did I just say? Macro? Macro closes in 5 minutes, so I know, it's not the best setup. So I was waiting for price. Then I was like, all right, I just got my 1 to 2. All right, I'll just fast forward. Anyway, then I went break even right there. And minutes later, I got my full TP. Beautiful. Now this sell side got swept. Did it respect it? No, we kept going through it. So bang, we can remove it. Now what can we see here? Let's say my 1 to 2 was, all right, was a little bit lower. All right, 2, where the body closes above and it's only wicks. This over here is where we should close. Then bang, we got the reversal again. So that's why just mark every sell side you see. If you see reaction, technically, unless we got our 1 to 2, we're done. We're done. Now what's funny, 1020. Look at that, guys. 1020, bang. We swept this London low and bang, reversal off of it. So it is helpful to check ES, 100%. But NQ still delivered. We could have just seen it right there. And yeah, that was my trade basically. So yeah, beautiful day 3. Hope you guys enjoyed this recap. I tried to explain in details everything. If you liked it, subscribe, like. And yeah, very soon we'll start getting payouts. Tomorrow, day 4 of the challenge. And like I said, I'm really excited to just start actually seeing progress, Trust me, guys, I'm just excited. Once we're gonna hit day 30 of this challenge and see just how much profit we made or whatever happened, And yes, we'll see what's gonna happen once we finish this challenge. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, like I said, like and everything. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow.